ArcelorMittal USA continues to invest millions in important capital expenditure projects, despite the significant downturn in the economy created by the COVID-19 pandemic. At Burns Harbor, a 4-year, $150 million project is underway. The installation of 2 walking beam furnaces. The furnaces will improve slab quality and uniformity for customers. They will also save energy.
The exciting part is when you see things come to fruition. So anytime something is completed, when we finally got our foundations done, we saw a big hole in the ground, and then we've actually had foundations. You start seeing the furnace get erected. The big one coming up is when we're going to start up. We're going to start commissioning. We're starting to put power to equipment now. So it's all kind of becoming real.
At Cleveland, a 4-year, $50 million project has begun to install a new steam turbine generator at the No. 1 powerhouse. The return on investment is less than 2 years due to energy savings. The generator will allow the plant to use excess blast furnace gas to produce power.
It's a great, energy savings project. The other nice thing about it is it's one less utility that we're not relying upon for outside utility provider. In certain situations, we can produce the majority of our own power for the plant. It makes us less reliant on others and just more self-sufficient.
At Indiana Harbor, a team is upgrading the 2,300-volt power distribution center for the entire mill through a $6.8 million project. The old equipment dated back to the 1930s.
It was unsafe to work on. You would either have to work on it while it was energized or shut the entire system down to do maintenance on it. In addition, it was very unreliable, and we would often lose power because it was just so old and at the end of its lifespan. So we can safely operate this equipment without disrupting power to other parts of the mill. We have an automatic racking system. It's a device that you couple it to the breaker, and there's a motor that racks it in and out without anybody having to be there. The alternative is an electrician would have to put on a blast suit to protect themselves in the event of an arc flash while they would rack in and out the breaker.
So the biggest gain here was safety. The equipment was originally built in the 1930s and some additions after that. So being 90 years old and old cables blowing up, there's a cable vault underneath this gear that we can't get to anymore. It's low, it's always got water in it, and it's hot bus around you. So we quit going in there many years ago, but that left us with problems trying to get to our cables for repairs. Reliability was really big because, again, this is old failing gear. We've got a brand new substation now. We're almost completely cut over to it. Don't expect any problems from it and probably get a long time out of it.
A $1.9 million CapEx program at Riverdale replaces the caster control and drive system equipment dating back to the 1940s. It's key to the overall reliability of the facility and the quality of the product.
The main thing will be impacting quality, being able to upgrade our mold level control system. We aren't able to do that right now with the existing PLC control system due to just not having enough the obsolete electronics just don't allow us to do that, but with the upgraded PLC system, we should be able to do that next.
At Weirton, a 2-year, nearly $1.3 million investment replaced 2 tandem mill work roll grinders with a completely remanufactured roll grinder. The new equipment improves strip shape.
The old machine was completely mechanical, gears and linkages, very old, a lot of wear, a lot of backlash and all the gearing, very difficult even with a lot of operator experience and finesse to really get good roll profile, good roll symmetry. And with this new machine, it is completely mechanically remanufactured, complete electrical retrofits, precision electronic scales, state-of-the-art motion controls, and it's basically an automatic machine now. The operator sets the roll up, touches off on it, and then the program can run its cycle without any operator intervention whatsoever.
These projects help improve the quality of our product, the sustainability of our operations, and their success is a testament to the leadership of all the employees involved.